everybody, this is Kim Hodges from Scraptique in Fort Myers, Florida. We're bringing you our virtual crop from our physical crop today, and I'm going to show you just little projects that you're going to be doing. The first one you're going to do is 4 12x12 2-page layouts using the Photoplay Bella Flare paper set, and that's the kit that we're going to work on first. It's got all your cardstock, it has all your embellishments, and it's got all your paper in it. The second one that we're doing is a card kit, and you get 10 different cards. You get 2 each for a total of 20 cards. Comes with all of the card bases. It comes with the envelopes, rub-ons, all your ribbons, your brads, all your embellishments to go with that. And then the third one is going to be presented by Dana Wickenheiser at Hey Kid, and she's doing 3 12x12 2-page layouts, plus a shaker card and another card. And she will present when I'm finished doing mine. So the first thing I want you to do is get your Bella Flare layout set out and your Photoplay paper pack. And I'm going to talk you through what to do with these. Remember, it's extremely important you can hit the pause button. You can stop it, you can cut your paper, you can go back and then resume where you left off, so you don't have to go at a fast pace. You don't have to think that you're not staying up with everything. If you decide you want to ink, it's going to take you longer. And I did not ink any of this stuff, but you can ink it if you want to. So if you decide you want to ink, it may take you longer. So go ahead and hit the pause button, ink your stuff, go back and hit play, and you'll be just fine. The first layout is called Hello There. And this layout is just like that. And you're going to open up your pattern paper. You're going to locate the 2 sheets that are the green floral print, which is called Pretty Peonies. And you're going to take 2 sheets of your white cardstock and your 1 sheet of hot pink cardstock. From this, you're going to either use a Cricut machine to cut a bracket. You can trace it and hand cut it, but you're going to do a full bracket on 1 sheet and then a half of a bracket on the other sheet. When you do that, you're going to take the full bracket and you're going to adhere it to your white paper. And look at your diagrams, because all your cutting guidelines are on the diagram, so you know what size to cut everything at. You're going to take the other half sheet bracket and you're going to glue it on the other side. Then you're going to work with your left-hand page to start with. You're going to take 1 sheet of your Dreamer paper and you're going to cut out the sneaker. Be careful not to cut into the part that says You Are an Original, because you're going to use that as an accent next to the sneaker. When you cut the sneaker out, use just a little bit of pink as a border. And then you're going to take that sneaker and you're going to pop dot it up at the bottom of your page. Then you want to cut your pink mounting cards from your pink cardstock. You're going to do 2 4x6s, so you cut a 6-inch strip across the top, a 4-inch strip across the top, cut it 6 down the middle. Your second section, you're going to do 3 4x4s, and then the next one is going to be a 3.5x4. So go ahead and cut your pink cardstock out and you'll have all your mounting cards ready. And again, this is a good time to hit the pause button while you're cutting your paper. Then you're going to put one of the 4x4s to the right of the sneaker and a 4x6 at the top. next thing you're gonna do is you're going to take one of your Sparkle On sheets and cut out, actually you can go ahead and cut all 12 of them out because you're gonna use every single one of them. You're only gonna use one sheet of this paper. But on this layout, you're gonna use the Wonderful card. You're gonna put it on top of some of your white cardstock. And you're just gonna trim around so a little bit of that white edge shows. And you're going to adhere it just to the top of your sneaker at an angle. Then above that, you're going to put your sticker that says "Today Was." Next to that, "What a Beautiful Day." Then your heart sticker, and your "Hello There" with the typewriter sticker. Then also from your sticker sheet, you've got little red ones, one that says "Thinking of You," one that says "Happiness." You're gonna put that to the left of your 4x4 pink mounting card. And this paper is called your Just My Type. This is where you're gonna need your circle cutter, or you can use a Cricut machine. You're gonna cut a 7-inch circle bracket, just like that. It's about a 1/4 inch wide. And then you're gonna cut the interior of that, which would be a 6.5 inch circle bracket, again a 1/4 inch wide. The 6.5, when you're not gonna use the whole thing, you're just going to put a little bit here so it shows, and a little bit here so it shows. Then the next thing you're gonna do is take a little bit of that excess black and white paper, and you're cutting a 1-inch by 4-inch piece, and you're gonna mount it onto a little bit of white and just glue it at the top of your 4x6 card. And again, if you like to ink these, the only thing I probably would ink would be the outer brackets, because I think it would make it stand out a little bit more. Again, I don't ever ink white paper because I think it is too dark. And the white paper looks like it gives it a nice clean look. And once you have that all done, then your left-hand page is finished. Then you're going to move on to your right page, which has the 1/2-inch bracket at the bottom already. This time you're going to take, and you don't want to glue the top of your mounting card because you're going to be tucking your circle in. This is where you're going to use the full 7-inch circle. But you're going to put it on top. And this you're just going to kind of freehand. The way I did mine, gotta find the paper. The way I did mine is it's your Just My Type paper. It's the other sheet. And I took my circle and I traced it around the outside, and then took scissors and just cut a touch around the inside. Not very much because that's not a very wide frame. And then you glue your circle frame on top of that circle piece of paper, and you glue it down. Don't adhere this part because you're going to be tucking your mounting card underneath it. So right now you should just have your bracket, you should have your circle, and then your circle frame, with this not adhered at the top. Then you're going to take and put your 4x4 mounting card here. Another 4x4 mounting card here, but you're going to tuck it underneath the circle. A 4x6 mounting card at the bottom. And you're going to cut a 4x6 out of the black and white dot and put your 3.5x4 on the top of that. So you've got all 4 of your mounting cards on there. And then you're going to do the same thing as you did on the other page. You're going to take a 1" by 4" strip of the black dotted paper, mount it onto white, and center it underneath a 4" by 6" mounting card. And then to finish this off, you're going to use your sticker sheet. We trimmed a little bit of the red on the word happy. So you're going to trim a little bit of the word happy and you're going to put it at the bottom of the 4x4 mounting card. You're going to put your delightful sticker here, Queen of the Day sticker here. This is the little teacup with a flower in it, the little circle that's a rose, and the little heart with the yellow roses. You put your dress up here and make today totally amazing. And your first layout is finished. If you haven't finished it, again, just hit pause as you're going along and it'll give you time to get it done. And we're just going to start the second layout in just a minute.